Some food, as classic as peanut butter, is always the most difficult to be creative around it. But today, in addition to the classic way, I'm also going to show you 2 extra ways of making peanut butter from scratch. One differs in the preparation and the other in the flavor. Let's start with the classic version, light-colored, creamy, and peanutty. First, bake 3 cups of raw peanuts. Lay the peanut on a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Cool to room temperature, then place on a kitchen towel. Wrap the towel around the peanut and then be as violent as you can. Hit, rub, grub, and hit again. Then voila, the majority of the skin is off. The stubborn ones, you can easily pinch and push one by one or scrub a bunch in between hands. Use a hairdryer. Turn on to the cool breeze set, toss the peanut between the hands, and let the wind blow away the skin. Repeat till all the peanut is separated. Now in the food processor, add the peanuts. Pulse a few times, grind into small pieces, and then leave it on. When it forms a smooth ball, time to add honey. Then turn the machine on and slowly drizzle in the peanut oil. Till the mixture reaches the desired consistency. The machine will warm up the mixture during the process, so when freshly made, the butter may appear a bit thin, but it will thicken quite a bit overnight in the refrigerator. It's not too hard nor too soft. Very easy to spread on the bread. But if you cut oil, it would be too hard to eat right out of the refrigerator. That said, feel free to cut oil to your own liking. Now let's move to the second version. Same ingredients with a slightly different process. This version takes longer time to ground and tastes more flavorful. In a bowl, add 3 cups of raw peanuts. Fill with plenty of water to cover the peanut. Soak for 1 hour and a half or till the skin is easy to tear off. Drain well, put in a plastic bag, and rest in the refrigerator overnight. The next day, bake the peanut at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or till you stop to hear the cracks. Use a similar method to get rid of the skin. Add the peanut in the food processor. Add brown till most is smooth, but leave some small bits to provide some texture. Add the honey and drizzle in peanut oil. Keep running till it resembles the consistency that you like. This version has a darker color than the classic one, and it will also thicken quite a bit overnight in the refrigerator. And interestingly, the color will darken further over time. And finally, we can be a little creative. This version is less labor intense and you don't have to get rid of the skin. My favorite so far. In the same bowl, add toasted peanut skin on, toasted almonds, and walnuts. Process till the mixture becomes smooth. Then add clove powder, star anise powder, and sumac. Mix well. Then drizzle in the canola oil, following by the honey. The butter is good enough to be eaten right now, but optionally, you may add some orange paste to elevate the taste. If you don't have the orange paste, just add some orange zest. Run the machine till it gets consistency to your liking. This version though, after chilled overnight, can still jiggle a little, but it's not too thin to spread on the bread. Interestingly, the texture will further thicken and the flavor will also grow over time. Which one is your favorite? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now and see you soon.